In this video, I'll show you how I automate 90% of my content creation on Threads using Claude. And if you haven't started creating content on Threads before, you're missing out on a lot of good opportunities because Threads is a relatively new platform and it has more active users than Twitter. And because of the discrepancy in the ratio of consumers to content creators, Threads is pushing out a lot of small creators to a very large audience. People with 500 to 1000 followers are getting 500,000 views to 10 million views and more. And the best part about Threads is that you don't have to have a camera, lighting and a setup. It's a text-based platform, so you just have to write good content. And I'll show you exactly how. Further down the video, along with automation, I'll also show you the exact post formats that work well on Threads and this particular format that made 4 figures of revenue on its own. Okay, so let's get started with the video. For content creation on Threads, I use a software called as Blacktwist. And as you can see here, it's an amazing tool. It connects directly with your Threads account and you can analyze, create posts, schedule posts, everything directly from here. So here you can see my dashboard and here you can see how consistent I've been. There's also this gamification feature where you have milestones and like cards for celebrating your wins. Here we also have leaderboard where you can compete with other people on Threads. And as you can see, I was placed 3rd last week for the amount of views that I got, which is very interesting and it literally feels like a game. Okay, so for automation, we're going to come to Blacktwist MCP server, which is going to connect with Claude. So MCP is going to be our bridge between Claude and Blacktwist. So we're going to come to blacktwistapp.mcp. I'll provide the link in the description as well. You have to come here and copy this particular link, which is the MCP server URL. You're going to hit on customize. Then we'll go to connectors, add connector, and here I'm going to write Blacktwist and I will add the server URL that I just copied and hit on add. Now it's going to add the MCP server, but here you can see that it has no tool. So I'm just going to click on the 3 dots and refresh it. Now it's going to show me this. So here we have to connect our Blacktwist MCP with our Threads account. So I'm going to hit on connect. So as you can see, it's connected now and it displays us all the tools that we can use to automate our feature. Now that you have the entire setup ready, this is what I usually do. So I don't just ask it to create posts because then the quality will be poor. What I do is I ask it to analyze the last 3 to 6 months and extract the viral posts that outperform the rest. And I'm going to take those post formats and double down on it and create more posts like that. So what I'm going to do is I will say analyze last 6 months and extract viral post with high engagement, make me a detailed report. So now I'm going to hit enter. So here as you can see, it's going to talk to Blacktwist and pull 6 months of post analytics, and all of this is completely automated using Blacktwist. So as you can see, it has fully generated the report. Here you can see that the top post got 400,000 views, second place, top engagement, and here are the viral posts that it listed. Here you can also see that the emotion that it triggered in the views, and that is what made it viral. And it has also reverse engineered the top post, so you can see the hook formulas and the emotion, and it also gives us the best time slot to post. It also mentioned us what post formats to double down on. So we're going to use all of this information to create the posts. Now if you're a beginner and you don't have posts that have gone viral, don't worry, I'll extract the summary from this chat and I'll put it in the description, so you can just copy paste into your Claude and it's going to write exactly the same post like how it does for me. So once you've given enough information and data to Claude, we're going to come back to Blacktwist. So you'll have to create your account here. Once you do that, hit go to app. Here you can also see my scheduled automated posts, but we're going to come here to profile. We're going to hit on settings. Now what we'll do is we'll create time slots. Basically what time Claude should schedule your post. So we're going to come to scheduling. As you can see here, there's a lot of time slots. You don't need to have this many. According to my experience, you need to have at least like 3 to 4 time slots. One in the morning around 7 to 9 a.m. One in the evening around 5 to 7 p.m. and one in the night around 9 to 10 p.m. These time slots work best. So you need to set up these time slots as well. And in order to set up, you just have to come here, add time slot. I'm going to set for 4 p.m. and I'm going to say add time slot. And here I have to come and click on all of these days. Once you've done that for 3 to 4 time slots, you can see that the time slots will be added here just like that for every single day, which is what you want. Now that you have the time slots ready, we're going to come back to Claude and you're going to say, based on the report above, write me 4 posts, 4 similar post on all the time slots allotted today. Now this is going to pull all of the time slots from Blacktwist and it's going to schedule all of your new viral posts on these time slots. So as you can see, it has fetched my time slots and it's going to extract it and it's going to create posts and schedule it on these time slots. Now if I come back to Blacktwist, here you can see the schedule posts. If I click on one of them, as you can see, we have 22 signs and it's a long form post and it has been completely automated. Now that you have the post automated, let's say you have a product that you want to promote. So what I usually do is once I finish the long form post, in the end as a CTA, I mention my product. Now that can be automated as well using Blacktwist, and I'll show you how. So I'm going to come to Profile, Settings, and here I'm going to come to follow-up. Follow-ups are something you add at the end of your post. So here I have one of follow-up ready, but I'll show you how to create one. So I'm going to hit on new template and the name can be anything. So let's say product CTA, and let's set up the follow-up post. So I'm going to say, if you're serious about this, here's a gift. As you can see, I've added my CTA. If you're serious about this, here's a gift for you and the link of the product. Now let's set up a trigger. So you can set up triggers for multiple occasions. So we have likes, reposts, comments. I usually keep it at time. So time after publishing in minutes, I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to set to 1. So that means whenever the post is scheduled, 1 minute after that, this follow-up is going to be attached at the end of the post. This is so cool. It literally automates every part of the post, so I don't have to worry about anything. So here you can see the product CTA template. I can set this as default. That means whenever any post is scheduled, right after that, right after 1 minute, it's going to add this follow-up. Another interesting feature is the inspiration tab. So you can see all of the viral posts of other creators on Threads. So here I can just scroll. Now let's say I like one of these posts and I want to use the same format. I can just hit on use as template and I can add in my own details. So as you saw, this platform is so helpful and it is for free, and it helped me create the content, it helped me post, it helped me schedule on the best time slots, it analyzed my content, it saw what was going viral, and it doubles down on them. So I really suggest you try out this platform. It saves you a ton of time, and I provide the link in the description as well. So go click it right now and try it out. So that was it for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. I would love to make another video answering that. And if you want to check out Blacktwist, I'll provide the link in the description as well. And I've also provided a summary of the chat that talks about the exact post format that makes me the most amount of money. Now, if you want a detailed breakdown of this exact post format, you can click here and watch this video. I talk completely in detail about this exact post format that made me 4 figures in revenue. So you can click here and watch this video. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.